Hire the best business consultants in Vermont from FarVision Consulting. Chris and Kiki are ready to put their knowledge to work for you. Our brokerage has decades of experience in conflict resolutions. When selling a business, every transaction brings conflict. The only question is when and how much. Attorneys and accountants are not trained for this type of conflict. We do not replace them. We support them. You need all of us. Our business consultants in Vermont bring something extra to the table. We prevent deals from falling through when it gets tough. As business brokers, we help facilitate the sale or purchase of a business by establishing a system of communication that is informative, objective, and supportive to both parties. We believe the best deal is when both parties in any transaction win. Whether you are buying or selling a business, our business consultants in Vermont at FarVision Consulting are ready to assist you. Call 802-236-4224 or visit farvisionconsulting.com today.